for the upright position and open the window blinds. Restore the luggage under the seat in front of you and in the overhead compartment. And also make sure that all your electronic devices are still set to flight mode. Please review the safety instruction card located in the seat pocket in front of you, as it contains important safety information. In case of an emergency evacuation, all cabin baggage must be left on board. Those of you seated at the emergency exit rows 1, 18, 19, and 29 are finally accessories stored in the overhead compartments. All that carry-on items, making sure the floor area is completely clear. And visit the cabin to ensure that we are ready for landing. Thank you for your attention.
Oh, it's a beautiful sky. Hello.
Please sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
Down in the street.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jana Mahmoud. To this video, Abu Dhabi UAE tracking watch in details, quarantine within 10 days.
Dulo naman yun, wala namang konti.
Mesh, okay. So, ayun na nga guys, ito yung day 1. I got a text message from Abu Dhabi Department of Health that my COVID test result na I took in the airport when we landed that time was negative. Makikita sa tracking watch din yung time, GPS, at saka bawal siya hubarin guys, or even trying to take it off. Hindi mo siya pwedeng hubarin. Ang maganda din naman guys is fully waterproof naman siya, kahit maligo ka, no problem. Yung tracking watch, meron na siyang dalang charger, so kailangan mo siyang i-charge twice a day. Pero pag nakakabit na yung charger guys, yung my blue, yan yung naka-charge na siya. Pag nakakabit na yung charger guys, iwasan mo yung tubig or maghugas ng plato or ano pa man, maligo. Kung nakakabit yung charger guys, iwasan lang talaga kasi masisira yung charger. Okay lang yung watch, waterproof yun. What it feels like wearing tracking watch in 10 days guaranteeing. For me, itong tracking watch na to, comfortable naman siya sa akin. Wala namang problema sa akin din. Hindi naman siya kiwa, yung okay lang sa akin. And pag na-attach mo na siya sa left hand mo, suot mo na siya hanggang 10 days. So, okay lang talaga sa akin. And the charger, kahit matulog ka, okay lang, ganyan oh. Naka-charge yan kahit natutulog ka, no problem. Wala naman siyang problema para sa akin. Well, I quarantine in the home only, so it's fine for me, the 10 days. Kasi hindi naman ako palalabas din. And may dala din siyang charger. Ayan na nga yung sinasabi ko. May dala siyang charger. Dalawang option siya. Pwede mo siyang i-charge direct to the relo, or pwede mong i-charge mo na yung wireless charger. Ayan, pipili ka lang. So, ito yung magandang service to secure us and others of our family, friends, or someone to avoid a COVID-19. So, maganda siya guys. Pagkatapos kong kunin yung mga luggage bags, makikita dyan sa video guys. And we go direct to the ground floor, and that's where they are waiting to have a PCR test again and get my personal number, passport, and travel self-declaration form. Ito yung mga kailangan to present them and to put my quarantine watch tracker. There you go. Ayan, yun yung watch. So, aside sa relo guys, sa tracking watch device, may kasama na rin siyang box. Itong box na to, may serial number siya. And merong charger, wireless charger, and yung hindi non-wireless charger. So, sa day 8 guys, we go in the nearest health center for second COVID test. Alhamdulillah, the test result, ayan, negative. And sa 10 days, finally, yun yung i-take off yung watch. Yun yung mga dadalhin natin to present. Ayan na guys, patungo na kami sa lokasyon kung saan tatanggalin ang tracking wristband. Mula sa amin, 36 minutes papunta doon. And ayan, papasok na kami dyan. Ito yung nasa baba na picture. Yan yung place na tatanggalin yung tracking device. So, dyan sa SIHA COVID-19 Vaccination Center, ang location is in Mina, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Free po siya, wala po siyang bayad. Magtatanong lang po kayo sa guard kung saan yung tatanggalin yung wristband. Kasi may katabi niyang vaccination center din. So, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and yung mga nagda-travel patungo dito, galing sa ibang bansa, importante po na alam natin kung ano yung mga papers na dadalhin natin at yung mga process na kailangan nating gawin. So, ito yung lugar, Mina, Abu Dhabi, SIHA COVID-19 Vaccination Center. Open and closes 10 p.m. po siya. Going to remove the mga